Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add a flash transition to your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have two clips right here and I want to add a transition right between those two clips. Alright, what's important is that you really connect these two clips. What's also important is that you need to cut from the second clip, from the beginning a little bit, and then from the end of the first clip a bit. And then stick it back together and go to Video Transitions, Brighten Flash, and drag it on top of your clips. Now it looks like this. And if you click on the transition, then you open the inspector, you can edit the effect. For example, the brightness can be brighter, the duration 0.5. And now if we let it play again, that's our finished transition. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to add a flash transition to your video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.